This right here is the worst code that I have ever written in my entire life. I wrote a scheduling software that allowed patients to book 5-minute appointments at their favorite clinics. And almost immediately, I knew I messed up. The query could have been condensed down a little bit. It was pretty large just because of how fast we had to iterate on new versions quickly. Since things were constantly changing, our schemas were constantly changing in our database. We would often transform the data on the server side. But the reason this is terrible though, is because it wasn't the right tool for the job and I didn't read into it. These queries were lazy, which means that this thing that you see right now wasn't actually executing an SQL query. When people needed a COVID appointment, they would run into race conditions where sometimes they picked the same time and then it would error out and then they would reasonably get pissed off. But despite this being a little embarrassing, considering I'm the best programmer on earth, I learned something in the best way possible, the cause and effect of why something is and isn't the right tool.